Money is an important aspect of everyone's life. As important as money is, most adults do not know how to handle money. This ignorance has made the lives of so many people a mess. Money skills entail understanding the basics of making, managing, keeping, and multiplying money. The responsibility of adulthood will demand that an average adult understands how to manage and multiply this crucial resource. To save yourself from the hurdle of not knowing how money disappears from your pocket, not meeting your financial goals, and inability to meet your basic needs, you need to acquire some skills. As essential as these skills are, they are not taught in school. This explains why most highly educated people still have a messy financial life, because they do not have basic money management skills. Money skills are something every adult cannot do without. To safely guide you from your state of financial illiteracy to understanding the basic skills for managing your finances, I'll explain 5 skills you need to master. They are simple methods and techniques for effectively managing your financial life. Money-making skill. Before you can talk about managing your finances, you must at least already have a steady income. If you are yet to have a source of income, then you can start by getting a job. Everyone needs extra sources of income. Experts recommend that to be a millionaire, you must have a minimum of 7 sources of income. There are various opportunities online for you to earn passive income without disturbing your regular job. To make more money, you can also learn money-making skills like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, graphics, designing, etc. These skills are in high demand today, and they can fetch you extra income. Money spending skills. This is an essential money management skill that most people do not have or do not understand how it works. The strength of your financial life does not depend on how much you make, but on how much you can keep. You need to understand how to keep your money from being wasted on non-essentials. Some of the money spending skills that every adult should know are: know how to track your cash flow. Your cash flow refers to the amount of money you make versus how much you spend in a given period. You must know how much you earn and how much you spend. Doing this will help you cut down on irrelevant spending and focus on proper money management. How do you track your cash flow? You can track your cash flow by making a list of what you spend your money on. Then you will be able to understand if you are living above your means or just according to your means. Learn how to create a budget. Having a budget is one of the surest ways to control your cash flow. Every adult needs to know how to create a personal budget to help them manage money effectively. How do you create a personal budget? Various apps and websites help individuals to create a workable budget based on their income and expenses. If you do not want to use these tools, you can create one yourself. Make a list of all your important needs, wants, and other financial commitments you have. Arrange them according to their importance, and then you can rule out the unimportant ones. Stick to your budget. Creating a budget is not as difficult as sticking to the budget. A lot of people find it difficult to spend based on their outlined budget. Whenever they go grocery shopping, they will end up picking up a few things that are not in their budget. When you constantly break your budget plan, you will not be able to achieve your financial goal. This will make you overspend on luxuries. Do whatever it will take to cultivate the habit of only spending on things contained in your budget at all times. Learn to be frugal. This does not mean living a miserable life. It simply means that you should cultivate the habit of only spending money on essential things. There are a lot of things we spend money on daily, weekly, or monthly that we can do without. When you cut down on non-essentials, you will be amazed at how much you can save in a long term. The money you spend on soda, fries, coffee, and little things you pick up here and there can be saved for more important things. Stop impulse spending. Impulse spending is one of the loosest money habits that can make a millionaire flat broke in a space of days. Just buying anything and everything because you have money on you is not a good way to spend money. Most things you buy without planning for them are things that are not needed. If they were your need, you would have included them in your budget. They are absent from your budget because you do not need them or because they are not urgent needs. Make up your mind to only spend money according to your budget. Do not allow the pressure of wanting to be like others or prove a point to push you to waste money. Money saving skills. Making money is always easier than keeping money. Money can only be effectively managed when you learn to save. Saving is an essential money skill that everyone keen on financial freedom must have. A person who has not learned how to save will always need money. There are basic skills that will help you save money. They are: have a financial goal. You will not need to save anything if you do not have a goal you are working towards. To master the act of saving, you need to have a financial goal. Your goal can vary based on time or need. Automate your savings. Saving can be hard, especially for a person who has just started to learn the habit. To save without stress, you should learn how to leverage the advantage of automated savings. Various platforms have been created for people to save automatically. When you automate your savings, it will be easier for you to meet your financial goals. Learn to pay yourself first. A lot of people get their paychecks and sort out bills, pay debts, and every other thing first before they save the rest. That is a wrong money management method. Paying yourself first means that you set out an amount you want to save first before you attend to the other needs. Automating your savings will help you achieve this. Set up an emergency plan. Emergencies are inevitable parts of life. Every adult needs to have money saved for a rainy day. This emergency plan should be at least up to 3 months' expenses. This fund will come in handy in case of a job loss or sickness or any other emergency. Set up a retirement plan. Planning for your retirement is another wise method of sending money into your future. You know that you cannot work forever. A time will come when you have to retire. You do not have to wait until that time is near before you start thinking of how to get by. Learn the basics of setting up a retirement fund and start saving towards your retirement. Money investing skills. Investing is a good way to multiply money. A lot of adults do not know anything about investments. Ignorance in this area has led a lot of them to fall victim to Ponzi schemes. Some of the things you need to know about investments are: know the basic things about investing. Various terms and methods are involved in investing. Every adult needs to understand things like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ROI, etc. When you understand these terms, you will be able to choose the right investment. Know the kind of investment plan that works for you. Various investment opportunities are available to everyone in every part of the world, but what works for an individual may not work for another person. You need to take out time to understand any investment opportunity introduced to you before you commit to them. Do not be in a hurry to invest that you end up investing in something that may not be beneficial to you. Some investments yield great returns in a short time, while others will take years to build. You need to understand the pros and cons of every investment before you get into them. Understand the risk that investment involves. Investing is a risky game. You need to understand the risk that is involved in the investment plan you have chosen and be sure that you are okay with them before going ahead with the investment. Learn how to recognize scam. Another investing skill that every adult needs to know is the ability to recognize a Ponzi scheme. There are a lot of scam options available to rob people of their hard-earned money. It will be a sad experience for a person to lose their money to a scam. Once an investment looks too good to be true, or it has a lot of sides to it that you find difficult to understand, that is an indication that it is a scam. Managing debt skills. As much as a lot of people advise not to borrow money for any reason, there are some good reasons why a person gets into debt. You should know that there are good debts and bad debts. Do not ever borrow money to purchase something that will not fetch you money. As part of your debt management skills, you should know and nurture your credit score. Your credit score is calculated based on how you pay your bills, credit utilization, and other things. Maintaining a good credit score will give you the advantage of getting a loan whenever you need one. You should also know that you need to pay off debts with high interest first. This will help you reduce the interest rate and save some money. Money management skills are skills that will determine the quality of a person's financial life. Your financial life will not be messy when you have mastered these skills. To keep your finances in check and get to the point where you stop having money problems, you need to watch the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching.